Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I would love if you stuck around and subscribed. I do a lot of studio vlogs lately, and I'm just trying to hop back on the YouTube world. And today I am sharing with you something new I'm going to start in my Etsy shop. And right now my cat is going across my desk and... Psst, psst, psst. Nova, come on. You're all up in this stuff. That's Nova. It's Nova's butt. I'm sorry. Sorry. But today I'm going to share with you guys the things I got to start working with resin. I thought it'd be really helpful to see it from a complete beginner's point of view. Also, I have watched hours, I'm not joking, hours of videos of people either doing resin projects or talking about tips and tricks, things to know before you start, people sharing the different kind of resin they use, the different additives, all that kind of stuff. So after watching all those videos, I decided that I think there should be more videos out there like that, because I personally, when I want to learn about something, I do a very big deep dive into YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the things that I think are necessary for you to purchase when you want to do resin. So let's just get started. Okay, so first thing and the most obvious thing would be the resin. So this one is from Craft Resin. It's crystal clear. It also has UV protection, which is good because some things will fade over time, especially alcohol inks. And then it also says bubble free. Not sure if it's true. And non-toxic. Also ignore my one unnailed finger. And it says it cures in 24 hours. I will show you. And I will also link everything down below that I got. It's not affiliate links or anything like that. It's just me sharing you to make it easier for you to find the items if you want any. So we have the hardener, 17 ounces of that, 500 milliliters. And then the same for the resin, 17 ounces. So it's a pretty big beefy bob. And then gratefully they give a pretty big little pamphlet book on how to use it. Next thing I think you definitely want to do is purchase a respirator. Have no fear, they are not as expensive as you might think, because I personally have been wanting to do resin for a little bit over a year now, basically since I started my Etsy shop, and thought it was expensive to get protective stuff, because if you're gonna mess with this stuff, even if it says non-toxic, don't mess around. I definitely think you should just get the respirator. So this one's actually quite comfortable, even as you can tell I'm a chunky girl, and this, I'm gonna look like a fool, but. And then this strap that's tucked under here. Where are you? Why am I doing this on YouTube? There it is. So this goes behind your neck. And then obviously, there are other things that go with it, which I will show you. You have a, sorry, my hair just got really bad. A respirator filter element, and then it comes with little, I don't know, filter pads. I'm not really sure because I haven't opened the filter element yet. It also comes with this, which I'm assuming just kind of goes over that. Again, we shall see. And then it comes with glasses, which again, big head. I will show you, because why not? I did used to work at a warehouse and have to wear safety glasses all day, and I just want to say, even though these look ridiculous and it looks like you're about to ski, these are actually pretty freaking comfortable. So it has a nice big elastic band, which, again, big head. And then it actually would probably even be decent for someone that wears glasses, possibly. I have an eye roll ring, and it doesn't even interfere with that. But yeah, these are really freaking comfortable. I'm definitely going to take advantage of using those for other things as well, but yeah, I really like that. I can't tell you the price because I don't remember offhand, but I will link everything down below. It's helpful to have something like a torch. This one is from Gas Torch, the butane torch, and you do have to buy the butane separately, but I don't have it in here just yet. I did buy it, but so yeah, it has a lock, and don't have any experience with this, but I am definitely going to ask someone that does have experience with it before I even mess with it or put the butane in. Something that would be great to have, because I've seen people use torches and heat guns for different things, so I also purchased this heavy duty high performance industry heat gun. So the way I figured it, if I can get something cheap and it's not going to last very long, like it's just not worth the investment, and this wasn't even crazy expensive, but it had wonderful, great reviews. It has a temperature gauge, not that it gives you the degrees you're at, but it does, you know, spin around to different directions. And then it has this little switch down here. Again, not pretending like I know how this thing works, but I'm just showing you the details of it. And then it does come with different attachments. Like if this is too big, you can add on this little attachment right here. See how it gets more narrow? And then there's also this really big flat one. This part's attached to it. This big flat one, which if you ever watch people do paint and pours, whatever it's called, I've seen people use this. And then, like I said, there's ones that even get super, super narrow. That way you can be really direct with where you want to move your resin around in. Obviously, if you're interested in doing resin with silicone molds and you're not looking for like paint and pours and sealers and things like that, there's like so many different molds out there on Amazon, but here's some of the ones I picked. This is just like a cute little trinket box, and it has like Astrology signs, and then you have the choice between two lids, the sun with the Astrology signs or the star. And then this kit also came with the Triple Moon Goddess kind of like little tray, so it would sit like this, and then it would have like a little edge to it. And then I purchased these tarot cards, which might be the first thing I get into is trying out one of these. So definitely subscribe, because my next video, my next informational kind of video or sharing video, will probably be one with me trying the resin, separate from my shop vlogs. And then, of course, I could not get molds without getting anything that was like Ouija or Planchette. Didn't get the Ouija board yet because I haven't found one I'm like in love with. I would like a pretty large one, but I did get the little planchettes. It comes with tiny ones, it comes with bigger ones. This one's blank, which is awesome, and then you have ones that have designs on it, like there's an eye, it's a moon and a star. I don't want to open it, but you basically get the picture. And then the last thing you're going to need is whatever you want to use to decorate your resin, which I will definitely make another video on that once I learn more. But I know you can use things like pigments, like I have these like really pretty pigments, like makeup powders. You can use glitters, you can add additives like I'm trying to think of what this is called, like little confetti type things, like little black star confetti. You can add in alcohol ink, like dried leaves, like there's so many different things you can add into them. And oh yeah, I forgot one last thing I was supposed to show you is my little mixing cup, which is silicone. It came with 2 mixing cups, and then these 2 little teeny tiny ones, maybe if you need just to mix, well, probably mix it and then stick it. I really don't know why they gave you teeny tiny ones, but I like that it's silicone because it'll be easier for cleanup. Came with little droppers and the little tiny mini finger gloves, which are just somehow funny to me. And then it came with a battery powered mixer, kind of looks like a frother. But yeah, that's everything I got. I know something I showed came with a mixing stick. This is actually the second time I recorded this video because the first time I forgot to turn my audio on, so I'm sorry. The mixing stick was in one of these. It might have came with the resin. I'm pretty sure it did. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you would like to see next. If you just want me to share my whole entire journey with resin, which, like I said, the first thing I'm going to do is just try out one thing. I got to figure out like how much I have to mix for that thing I make and all that different stuff. So definitely, that's my very vocal cat talking. No, V. Hold on. Let me give you the mic. Go ahead. Tell them. What? Okay. You want to come up in my lap? You're going to hurt me, though. Come on. You want to say bye? You want to do the outro? Come on. Come on. I'll pick you up. Oh my goodness, you got to participate. You're a big girl. This is Nova. Sorry, camera moved. She's very vocal. And then you see the orange cat behind me. That's Willow. These are my two older girls. You gonna get down or are you gonna stay on my lap? But thank you guys so much for watching again. Follow me. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok, but I'm not very great with posting on them right now. Sorry, that's my phone. Kim Possible fan. But that is it. Thank you guys, and I will see you next time.